In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot email campaigns. Once you're in your HubSpot dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar, the navigation pane. Click Marketing, then select Campaigns. This is the hub where you'll group all the pieces of your marketing effort, so everything from emails to landing pages is aligned under one clear objective. Next, click Start a Campaign and choose Create from Template. Using a template gives you a ready-made structure so you can move faster and keep your assets consistent. Templates are designed around common marketing goals, which makes it easier to stay organized and avoid missing key elements as you build. Now, select the type of campaign you want to create. Pick the option that best matches your goal, whether you're focused on generating leads, announcing a product, promoting an event, or running a series of emails to nurture your audience. Think about who you're trying to reach, how long the campaign will run, and which channels you plan to use. Choosing the right type here helps the rest of the setup fall into place. With your template created, start adding your assets. Begin with a landing page, the central destination that ties your campaign together. Keep the headline clear, the value proposition obvious, and the form simple so visitors know exactly what to do. Add a strong call to action or CTA that uses direct language and stands out visually. The CTA should match the action you want people to take, like downloading a guide or signing up for a demo. Next, add your marketing emails. Keep the copy concise, the subject line compelling, and the design consistent with your landing page. Make sure there's one primary CTA in the email and that it points to the landing page you just created. Then add social posts to promote the campaign across your channels. Tailor the message for each platform while keeping the core message and visuals consistent. If you plan to run ads, include your ad campaigns as assets too, so you can keep everything connected and see performance in one place. As you add each asset, you'll see how the campaign pulls everything together under a single umbrella, making it easy to measure results later. When you're ready, click Save and View. This shows your campaign overview with all the assets neatly organized and linked. And that's all. You've set up a HubSpot email campaign by grouping your key assets, keeping your message consistent, and preparing for clear reporting.